Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Bill and Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to give you a review on WestPoint Deluxe Kitchen Chef. So friends, we have brought this new WestPoint Deluxe Kitchen Chef and we are going to unbox this. Let me show you what is written on the box. See, they are offering 2 years warranty. And let me show you the other side of the box. Here it is written that this is 5-in-1 juicer. You can read it. Like it includes juicer, blender, chopper, dry wet grinder and vegetable cutter. This is 450 watt. To unbox this. Yes, we are going to open the box and we will see what we have found. See, manual instructions. Its warranty card. See what is written in the warranty card. This is its instructions manual. And this is chopper. See what is in the box. Okay. See, just take out. Yes, take out. नीचे करें. See. ये देखें. यस,
चलाना है ना. चलाता भी दिखा दो ना अभी.
This is the whole stuff which we have found in the box. Its jug, its main motor, juicer, blender, chopper, everything is there. And now we will show you its working in the video. This time we just want juicer, so we are repacking all its equipments. In this machine we are going to take out the carrots juice. So we will check this. This is how you can open this. This is its blade. This is how you can install this. Initializing. I am going to read its manual. user's guide, and let me show you. Written in the manual. Main question is here. Continue work time, don't exceed 1 minute. So friends, I have washed these equipments and now I am going to show you how you can fix this. Like in this way, you have to lock this. And now place its blade here, and now see this side. This is important thing that you must keep it in mind, that you have to put this in here, and now press it slightly, and now like in this way. Now I have switched on and I have checked that this is working, alhamdulillah, perfectly. See, this is working. So keep it in mind, don't exceed more than 1 minute. And we have placed this so get its rough stuff. Yes, we have opened the machine. See, this is how. Keep it in mind that only pour, don't put heavy stuff, otherwise your machine will get jammed. See. See, the juice is coming. Its garbage is coming. So this is how you can take out the juice. Thank you for watching, and please kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Bill and Tech. Bye for now.